What is good, YouTube? I'm out here in Washington, D.C. and today's the day. Today is the freaking day. It is finally snowing. I've been waiting for this day for like 2 years. 2 freaking years. I'm just excited for all the photos I'm about to make. I mean, I've already taken a few. Take a second to look at them. But I don't know. I've never really shot in the city while it's snowing, because for the past 2 years, it hasn't really, we haven't gotten any snow like this. It's freaking crazy. But whatever. I'm about to put the GoPro on as soon as I meet up with some friends, because we're about to hang out and do our thing, you know, some street photography. I'm just gonna get right to it. Let's go. Alright, so finally met up with the boys. Freaking got Reese over there. He's about to shoot a thumbnail for his YouTube video. He just started his own channel. I'll drop it down in the description below so y'all can check him out. Then we got my boy over here, Chris. Y'all can follow him. He's dope ass freaking urban street photographer. Does a lot of dope urban stuff. This summer I feel like he did a lot of nature landscape stuff, but I mean, who's gonna stop him? He's great at what he does. So anyways, we're gonna keep walking around, shooting, see what we get. At the end, I'll drop some of their photos too. So let's get right to it. All right, so that'll just about wrap it up for today. Damn, some of those photos really came out dope as hell, and I hope you guys like them. I know I like them, but I'm about to drop my favorite photo right now. And I mean, come on, no one can ask for better conditions. There was bright red jacket, and then the dog was looking straight into the camera. Like, bro, like, you couldn't ask for a better photo to happen unless you tell them, hey, stand right here. Hey, dog, look at the camera. But whatever. Yeah, I'm gonna keep walking around, hang out with the boys, and take some more photos. But as far as photos for the video, that'll just about wrap it up. If y'all want to look at even more photos, go ahead, follow me on Instagram. They're probably gonna get uploaded. And I'll see y'all in the next episode. Later.